Hello everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. It's me again, sweet lady, your sister, your love. I'm on your way today again. I want to talk about Father outside there. But before we go to talk about Father outside there, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, sweet lady. Hit the notification bell and comment below. May God bless you. May God reward you. May God be with you. May God answer you according to your dream. My brothers and sisters outside there, please, I'm begging you, subscribe. May God bless you. Today I want to talk about our Father outside there. I want to talk about our Father outside there. So I know you will listen. If you got this video, please like, comment below your opinion of what I say, and also help me to subscribe. May God bless you. For the people that have already subscribed before, God bless you. God answer you according to your heart's desire for the good ones. For the people that are about to subscribe, I love you. God bless you. Please subscribe. I want to talk about our Father outside there. Our Father. Don't look down of your children. Don't believe that maybe you have 2, 3 wives. Maybe you love one wife more than one. So you will share the love among the children. Because why? There is some men that have 2 wives. Maybe they love one more than one. It happen in everywhere. When they love one more than one, what they do is that they love their children of the one they love more than the one they don't love. And those things affect the children. You know, when you have a wife, even though you don't love your wife, even though your wife have nothing to offer you, didn't respect you, you don't need to put the punishment on your children. You don't need to put the punishment on your children. A good father take care of his children. Because why? You don't know the future of that children tomorrow. You don't know the future of that child tomorrow. There is some father, they believe they have money, they have everything. They don't even, I don't need their help, even though they are rich, even though they are okay, even though they become what they want to become. I don't just need the help. Father is not like that. Because why? A downfall of man is never the end of the life. Always believe that when there is life, there is hope. I'm using this opportunity to say a story that affected me, even me myself. In life that we have today, I see that maybe when you have a child, you don't care for that child. You don't even know how he go to school. You don't know how he eats. You don't know how he live life. But when that child grows up, maybe he became somebody tomorrow, you will not come and say, hey, my child, sorry, forgive me what happened. I love you. It's not my fault. It's because your mother did this. Your mother did that. That is why I do like that. It's not like that. It's not like that. You are the one that gave birth to those children. So why don't you just face your responsibility and take care of those child? You will say maybe because of my wife, they do wetin dey vex me. My wife not be better wife to me. My wife, they do anyhow. Now make me abandon my children. That one no be story where you need to tell your children, say now because of say their mama no dey good. Now make you abandon your own children where you use your stress stay born. Good father no dey do like that. Some father outside there today now, they will get money. They know if you take care of their pikin. They know if you take care of their pikin, oh, they spend money for small girl outside. They go abandon their pikin for streets. They go abandon their mama for streets. They go abandon the pikin for streets. Because why? They believe say that pikin no get future. That pikin no get anything wey go fit offer am tomorrow. That pikin no get wetin go fit do for in life. Not be like that. Because why? When it happen, say maybe tomorrow everything come dey okay for that pikin. How you wan come take show your face say okay na me born you, or na me be your papa, na me be your real papa? How you wan take talk am? Because why? The pikin no go even lis ten to you. Because why? You no take care of am. The time wey you suppose to do like father, you no do like father. So my advice this afternoon go for all those father wey dey outside there wey be say they go born pikin, they go dey born pien dey go. They go born for Tolu, they go born for Yabo, they go born for Foluke, they go born for Gift, they go born for this one, but they no know, they no care to take care of the children. Now there you go, dey hear say they will say father fit marry 3 wives, if he marry 4 wives. Anyone where the woman get na be your own, no, make you take care of your own. But na so some pikin still dey wey be say if they grow now, they go like their papa pass their mama for all the whole stress wey their mama don go through for them. I wan make my pikin live, I wan make e survive, I wan make e become somebody. But your papa dey there, dey flex, dey go, you no even know whether the children dey exist, no even know whether the children dey live, no even know whether the children dey eat, they drink. But if God come do am small, maybe those children now they come become somebody, they come become person wey be say e dey popular, person wey be say yes, they come outside. That time they come dey raise their hand up. Hey, na my pikin be that one, oh, na my pikin na be that one, my pikin wey so person born for me that time, na be that one. We need to stop am. And we see this our father, so we be say if they marry wife put for house, they no go fit take care of their wife, they no go fit do any better thing for their wife. They go dey spend money for outside, they go dey spend money for outside. They take care of girls for outside, money wey they no fit spend for their wife for house, money wey they no fit spend take give their pikin food, they go come dey spend am for woman for outside. Some woman go dey, or they go get another children, the man no care, oh, if he dey buy food every day, they go dey give that girlfriend wey get for outside, they take care of the girl, forget him own children for house, which e not supposed to be like that. It happen to me, you understand? But sometimes if you be man wey be say fine, nobody above a mistake, maybe your woman dey do wetin you no like, you don tell am say this thing wey you no dey do, I no like am. You don talk am once, 2, 3, e no change. Tell am say okay, go give me my children. If the woman come say okay, I no leave the children, leave am make the woman dey carry the children dey go. But do wetin father supposed to do. Stand like a father. If the children ask for 5 naira, if na 3 naira you get, give the children, so that tomorrow you go feel proud. Tomorrow you go fit talk say at least when the woman carry the children go, I still fit do the one wey be say I fit do. When the woman carry the children go, I still stand like a father. I never one day abandon my children. I still stand for my children. Now those one I be father. Not be father wey be say they go abandon you, abandon the children. They no even want care how the children take they survive for life. But tomorrow come, you can't say make that children come buy car for you, make come build house for you. Now bad now you dey eat, oh. So if you be father outside there, will be say your children they outside, you know they take care of them, you not care for them. You need to adjust now. I beg. I not try to say some father good, some father not good, but me, I'm using my own according to how I see life, how life is this now. We need to wake up to our dream. We need to wake up to our responsibility. We need to stand as a father for our children. You will see some boys outside now, they get papa will be say they get money, they get everything, but you see as the children they suffer, they struggle to survive for life. Because why? Nobody care for them. Some of those our big man, now you they see their pikin, they go they rob, they do armed robbers. Some of those our rich men, now you go see for bad things where they happen for life. no be because of say they won't become that thing wey dem become. Na because of say their bad father wey dem get wey no wan help them. This is my advice this afternoon. May God bless you all. I love you all. Please comment your own opinion for this video wey I make. So if na the bad one now you wan comment am, you are welcome. If na the good one you wan comment am, you are welcome. Please, it's me, Sweet Lady again. May God bless you. I love you all. Once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sweet Lady. Also hit the notification bell. Comment below. May God bless you as you do. I love you all. Beautiful afternoon. Happy weekend. Love you all. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.